Check this out. My old wheel, but made my own casters. Super smooth. Let's go. Oh boy, what's up guys? Thirsty. So, I have some aluminum rod here, a little pipe cutter, a bunch of random bushings and stuff, and different lengths of these automotive grade bolts, and we have a caster. And I've spec'd out some bushings here for spacers, and I just marked them with a marker. That way I know which ones it was from all this stuff I was trying, and I got the perfect length. I do need to cut this bolt down, that way it's not sticking out so goddamn far, but she is absolutely in there flawlessly. So as you can see, no play, and this is once again my spare wheel that has a big chunk out of it. But look at this, super smooth. And these are the Orangutan Stimulus, so these are like 70-42 I believe is the dimensions of this guy. It's probably rubbed off, can't see it there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure 70-42 or 70-46, something like that. But yeah, Orangutan Stimulus fits in there. Very nice clearance. Hard to tell. But it's very equal on both sides. So what I'm gonna do is gonna mic these and see how far off they are from stock longboard bushings. I'm pretty sure they're slightly smaller, but we got them in there. So if anything, I might just buy some more regular longboard spacers and then just shave them down and just mic it to make sure it's the correct length. But this thing is buttery smooth, and as is the caster itself. So it's pretty freaking sick. What I'm gonna do right now is cut this down and then duplicate these spacers and get these bad boys on the other wheel, wherever it is. It's still in the box, and then slap them on there and see how they go for tomorrow's ride. Don't mind my dog, he's gonna be barking like crazy, but check it out, completely finished one. I need to get some new stimmies on here, but just got my spacers and new nut and bolt. Thing is super smooth, and I have the red ceramics in here. I'll go ahead, slap this bad boy on, and that's it. Just threads in real easily, and each set should come with a wrench. Still debating on that, but super stoked on this. Real easy to thread it in just by holding that, and then you could get the wrench for the last little bit just to tighten it up. I'd recommend putting some thread locker on there as well, but for testing purposes we are just going to thread this bad boy on completely, and that's it. That's all she wrote. Gonna tighten it up, and that's it. Alright, so my wheels finally showed up. We got some Harfang Supremes. They are 65/81. Same width as the Stimulus, I believe, or actually just a little bit shy. Yep, a little bit shy in width, in diameter, but that should give us more clearance in here and make the cart more flickable. I made my own spacers, so these are the prototypes once again, HFS, so that's for the Harfang Supremes. I got my other ones right here, the Orangutan Stimulus, so I'll be able to order these up and order these up to make my own casters. But check this out, man. Absolutely perfect on there. We're using ABEX 7s once again, so that's going to keep these things moving super smoothly. And as you can see with these little guys spark, so yeah, hopefully get these bad boys knocked out and we'll be good to go. So hopefully in the next video we will put this on the road and see how it works. But with that, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.